Hey, marketing monsters, happy new year. Just want to show you a quick sneak peek of what we've been working on so far this year. Really, really excited about it. If you saw, we recently did a webinar back in December where we had joined the Google Meet, add to your calendar, etc. as the actions. And it looked good and it was great to be able to get the webinar out there and get people to promote it and have people share and refer, etc. But since then, we were taking a look at this and we said we can make this a ton smoother for you. So what we've actually done is gone ahead and updated the engine, updated the design of it to really take it into 2026 and really, in our opinion, into the next phase of what PerkZilla truly is and get it to be a top software company that helps grow your brand as well as get you more users, get you more subscribers, get users completing actions. And a big part of that is making sure it's smooth and easy to use and looks really, really great for you. So these might look very similar to you, but if you take a look and you actually play around with them, you can see that this was kind of, in my opinion, clunky. The purpose worked, the functionality worked, but in this case, we've made it a lot smoother. So now you can go through and you could actually complete your actions much easier. You can see the completed actions. It's styled much better. The interactivity is a lot better as well. So if we click the copy before, you can click to copy this, and it was fine. Now we've added a few little cool effects to that. We're really, really happy about that. And you have some additional options for how it comes in the pop-up, just keeping it cleaner, keeping it more modern, and taking it kind of into the next phase of PerkZilla and what we can accomplish. So we're happy to help however we can. We're really excited about this. Updated the menu and everything as well. There's some. I'll show you a few more sneak peeks real quick. An alternate layout option for the rewards with the badges and just really keeping it easy to use, interactive, and really fast and just quick, and making it feel how it's supposed to feel and really taking it to the next level. So again, we're absolutely thrilled about this. As you can see, it's throughout the entire system. The updated styling and the updated interactivity, user experience, just making it much smoother, as well as there's a lot more to come to get the platform to where it has to be, and that's kind of what the whole point of the V4 revamp was we have so many powerful features, but now it's honing it in, getting the design in, getting it easy to use, making it look clean, and then making it easy for your end users and for your visitors to be able to share, be able to complete actions, and track their progress. So we're really, really thrilled about that. It may look very basic, but the team's been working very, very hard on that to make sure that it's an excellent user experience for you and your users, as well as getting everything up and running smooth and really getting it to be the optimal experience to be able to share and get all that traction that you truly deserve. So again, we're happy to help however we can. This is just a little sneak peek. It'll be live in the upcoming week or 2 weeks, and we'll make sure it's all set. We're really, really excited about that. Let us know your feedback. And this opens the door to new themes, new styles, different ways of doing things, and really keeping it simple, easy to use, but making the soft features a little better so that the product is a lot easier for you as well as your users. So again, we're absolutely thrilled about this version, excited for what 2026 has to offer, and we're here to help however we can.